Hey there, friend. Let me take you on a quick little journey about a tool that's a real lifesaver, Azure AD Connect Health. Ever wonder how companies ensure their digital identity stuff is always up to snuff? Well, Azure AD Connect Health is the unsung hero in that narrative. Think of it as the ever-watchful guardian overseeing the health and happiness of your its identity services. Now, diving right into this, let me introduce you to my latest adventure, crafted right here, diving deep into the essence of Azure AD Connect Health. Today, I've got something super intriguing and valuable to share with all of you, especially those who know or care about safeguarding IT infrastructures. We're talking about this amazing Azure AD Connect Health that's a game changer, not just for the shiny newbies, but also for those of us with years of wisdom under the belt. This little treasure trove of insights and intelligence I've poured my heart into. Well, I found it vital for our network's health, and I'm excited to share my findings with you now. Alright, here's the lowdown. Azure AD Connect Health isn't just a set of bells and whistles on top of your Active Directory stuff. It's a heartbeat monitor, ensuring the rhythm in your network flows as smoothly as jazz. We often chat about ensuring the physical safety net's in place, but when it comes to our IT, how's it faring? Let's take a peek. Now, let me first assure you that this dive isn't about throwing complex jargon over the abyss of your comprehension. I promised you a story, not just a lecture, remember? And to kick us off, let me tell you about a time when a company I worked with faced their own identity crisis, but it's all rooted in Azure AD Connect Health. Picture that, an IT landscape where your real-time performance and health checks are as essential as your morning coffee. So, picture this, our IT team, like a well-oiled machine, but even the most polished machines can have hiccups, right? That's where Azure AD Connect Health jumps in, serving up critical data, insightful alerts, and analysis, all designed to keep your Active Directory Connect, Federation, and domain services not just working, but thriving. I swear, this was the missing piece we needed, tying us together with Azure's best-in-class. We're talking here about an entity that's not just a monitoring tool but a sage that speaks in the language of health reports, offering crystal-clear advice on keeping your infrastructure's pulse steady. It's got a knack for telling you when someone's sick, the way your grandma can spot a cold from across a crowded room, only, in our case, it's a sick identity service that Azure AD Connect Health spots. Imagine walking through your network and knowing the vital signs of every corner like server, service, or user at a whim. This isn't science fiction, it's where your data hygiene meets Microsoft Azure AD Connect Health's robust reporting capabilities. I've always said, your network's health can speak in unspoken ways, and with Azure AD Connect Health parsing the nuances for you, we get a clearer picture, ensuring efficiency, reliability, and security, a trifecta in enterprise IT lingo. Furor, it's not just monitoring we discuss, it's continuous monitoring with context, real-time health assessments that give your on-premises components a proactive touch when they're about to say goodbye. That's a tale of caution I recall, a silent server going rogue until we had Azure AD Connect Health be the hero wielding real-time insights and alerts. And boy, was it ever a story worth sharing. When I implemented Azure AD Connect Health, I wasn't just deploying a tool, I was setting the stage for digital immunity. It became a beacon, guiding us through potential identity service contagions before they could spread to cause systemic issues. But that's not where the story ends. No, my friends, the journey of Azure AD Connect Health is also one of implementation wisdom. best practices shared among our circle, and collective security savvy. Through collaborating sessions and roundtables, we shared tips, tricks, and heeded the silent cries of our network through those insightful alerts Azure AD Connect Health offers. So, here I am, taking you on this roller coaster of digital identity management that's both a science and an art. It's a ballet of bits, bytes, and bosses of infrastructure, and Azure AD Connect Health is our maestro conductor leading the ensemble to a standing ovation in system performance and security. Now, just as we're about to conclude this episode of Azure AD Connect Health, I feel a sense of urgency to share my discovery with the broader audience, and that's why I've penned down my findings in the format you see before you. I hope it sheds light in your network like a lighthouse does for the weary sailors. If I haven't already stirred your intrigue enough to want to dive in headfirst into the ins and outs of Azure AD Connect Health from a senior cloud architect's vantage point, remember that I also explored its integration with Azure Sentinel for a wholesome security strategy symphony. So let's wrap things up and channel our inner IT health monitors, utilizing Azure AD Connect Health to safeguard our digital identity infrastructure. It's not just about avoiding the dreaded identity crisis, but embracing a proactive stride towards a flourishing, secure enterprise digital atmosphere. Remember, my friends, for those thirsty for insight into Azure and seeking to deepen their cloud strategy knowledge, I've also got a playlist of related reads and learning resources that'll get you as equipped as myself. Take a look and join the journey. And with that, for those curious enough to take a leap further into the captivating world where IT meets strategy within Azure, consider my next project, Real-Time Identity Health Monitoring, Ensuring Your Azure AD Health, and I invite you to watch it to get a broader view of its implementations. I appreciate your company on this digital journey and hope my words resonate with both your professional ethos and your passion for an efficient, secure IT ecosystem. Until we cross paths again. So, keep an eye out for my next blog post on the intricate dance of implementing Azure AD Connect Health and how it weaves security and monitoring into the very fabric of your infrastructure. I'll be back sharing more tales. That's the beauty of being a cloud architect, stories spun with the threads of expertise and the colors of innovation. In closing, if my recounting has piqued your interest in the Azure AD Connect Health saga, or if you are ready to embark on your own exploratory journey of real-time infrastructure health monitoring, I urge you to revisit my articles for nuggets of knowledge to cherish. Your digital well-being begins with these reads. With that said, and with this feeling of shared digital responsibility and stewardship in our hearts, I bid you adieu till we connect again, sharing stories and experiences, of course, in our conversations. For those who relish learning and share a common pursuit of excellence in Azure's realm, I eagerly await your visit and your stories too. Keep in touch, dear listeners, but until our next digital rendezvous, keep your infrastructures healthy, your identities safe, and your curiosity unquenched. Here we are then, at the end of today's little escapade into the intricacies of Azure AD Connect Health. I hope this conversation stirred your passion for maintaining a robust and secure IT environment and that my insights helped illuminate the path to achieving it. Remember, your digital identity's health is imperative to run your business efficiently and with confidence. So, now that I have set down my spoon of knowledge at your table, ready to be savored, remember to visit neeraj.qzz.io to subscribe to this channel, and I'll keep sharing these enlightening stories and resources with you. Until next time, stay curious and let's continue to transform Azure's potential into our organizational reality. Cheers!